Let's begin by asking a simple question. What do we call a group of objects that share a common idea or quality? In mathematics, that group is called a set. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Well-defined means you can always say clearly whether something belongs to the group or not. For example, the group of vowels in the English alphabet is a set because you know exactly which letters are vowels A, E, I, O, U. But if I ask you to name the 5 most interesting books ever written, that's not a set. Why? Because different people will give different answers. So remember this, for any group to qualify as a set, it must be precise and unambiguous. Now let's look at how we talk about elements in a set. The individual objects in a set are called its elements or members. Sets are written using curly braces. For example, the set of even numbers less than 10 is written as braces 2, 4, 6, 8. We usually use capital letters like A, B, or C to name a set and small letters like A, B, or X to represent its elements. If an element is part of a set, we use the symbol belongs to. There are 2 standard ways to represent a set. The first is roster form, also called tabular form. Here, we simply list all elements separated by commas inside curly braces. For example, the set of natural numbers less than 5 is written as braces 1, 2, 3, 4. Important points to remember: we don't repeat elements and the order doesn't matter. So, the set braces 4, 1, 2, 3 is the same set. If the set is infinite, like natural numbers, we show that by adding 3 dots, for example, brace 1, 2, 3, and so on. The second way is set builder form. This is more descriptive. Instead of listing elements, we describe them using a condition. For example, the same set of natural numbers less than 5 can be written as A equals braces x such that x is a natural number and x is less than 5. Here, the colon means such that. So we read the expression as A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 5. It's especially useful when the set is large or infinite. Let's compare the 2 methods with one example. Suppose we are looking at all square numbers less than or equal to 25. In roster form, we write in braces 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. In set builder form, we write brace x such that x equals n squared, where n belongs to natural numbers and n is less than or equal to 5. Roster form is quick and direct. Set builder form gives more insight into how the set is defined. So far, we've learned what a set is, what it means to belong to a set, and how to represent a set using 2 standard forms. These tools help us build a strong foundation because from here on, you'll explore different types of sets, operations on sets, and how they relate to one another. Let's keep going. Sets are about to get even more powerful and interesting.